Port matching is a crucial process in engine tuning that involves aligning the intake and exhaust ports of the cylinder head with the corresponding openings in the manifolds. This precise alignment helps to eliminate any steps or misalignments that could disrupt the smooth flow of air or exhaust gases. By optimizing the passageways, port matching ensures that the engine breathes more efficiently, leading to improved performance and fuel efficiency. Properly matched ports reduce turbulence and resistance, allowing for a more consistent and powerful airflow throughout the engine. Port matching requires a selection of specialized tools to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Among these, cylindrical carbide burrs are particularly important for precise material removal. These burrs are designed to cut smoothly through metal surfaces, allowing for controlled shaping and fine adjustments. Their cylindrical shape helps maintain consistent port dimensions, which is crucial for optimal airflow. Using the right tools not only improves the quality of the port match, but also reduces the risk of damaging engine components. To ensure accurate port alignment, gaskets can be used as templates when working with cylinder heads and manifolds. Begin by placing the gasket over the port surface, making sure it is properly oriented and aligned with the bolt holes. Once in position, use a marker or scribe to carefully trace the inner edges of the gasket onto the metal surface. This outline will serve as a precise guide for shaping or matching the ports. By following these traced lines, you can achieve optimal airflow and a better fit between engine components. To achieve a precise transfer of port outlines, it's essential to carefully align the gasket faces. Begin by positioning the gasket so that all bolt holes and edges match up perfectly with the mating surfaces. This alignment ensures that the port outlines are marked exactly where they need to be, reducing the risk of misalignment during assembly. Taking the time to double-check the fit at this stage can prevent costly errors and ensure optimal performance of the finished component. Begin by carefully placing the gasket onto the surface where the port outlines need to be marked. Ensure that the gasket is properly aligned with any bolt holes or reference points. Using a fine-tipped marker or scribe, trace around the inner edges of each port opening directly onto the surface. Take your time to follow the contours closely, as accuracy here is crucial for a proper fit. Once all outlines are marked, double-check for completeness before removing the gasket. Ensuring smooth airflow between the port and manifold is crucial for optimal engine performance. Abrupt transitions or unnecessary steps can create turbulence, disrupting the flow of air and reducing efficiency. By carefully matching and blending these surfaces, airflow remains steady and consistent as it enters the combustion chamber. This not only improves power output, but also enhances fuel efficiency and overall engine responsiveness. A cylindrical carbide burr is used to meticulously grind and shape the port openings. By following the traced template lines, the process ensures precision and consistency in the final contours. The carbide burr's durability allows for smooth material removal without excessive wear. Careful handling is essential to avoid overgrinding and to maintain the intended shape of each port. Controlling material removal is essential to achieving precise results during porting. Begin by using light, even pressure, and frequently checking your progress to prevent removing too much material. It's helpful to mark the intended port shape with a scribe or marker before starting, serving as a visual guide. Use finer abrasives as you approach the final shape, which allows for more controlled and gradual removal. Regularly compare your work to templates or reference points to ensure the port retains its intended dimensions and contours. Before final assembly, a manifold mock-up check is performed. This involves temporarily putting the manifold together to ensure all ports are properly aligned and components fit as intended. By conducting this step, potential issues with misalignment or interference can be identified early. This careful verification helps prevent costly rework and ensures a smoother installation process later on. During mock-up checks, several common issues can arise that affect optimal port matching. Misalignment of flanges, improper gasket placement, and uneven bolt tightening are frequent problems that can lead to leaks or reduced performance. To correct these issues, ensure all mating surfaces are clean and properly aligned before assembly. Use the recommended torque sequence for bolts and verify that gaskets are seated evenly. By addressing these factors, you can achieve a more reliable and efficient port connection. A thorough final inspection of the matched ports and manifolds is essential at this stage. Technicians carefully examine each surface, checking for any remaining steps or irregularities that could disrupt airflow. Special attention is given to the transitions between components, ensuring they are smooth and seamless. This meticulous process helps optimize performance and reliability by minimizing turbulence within the system. Effective port matching relies on precise alignment of intake and exhaust ports with their corresponding manifold openings. This careful process minimizes airflow restrictions, allowing the engine to breathe more efficiently. By ensuring smooth transitions and eliminating abrupt edges, the risk of turbulence and power loss is significantly reduced. Thorough finishing and attention to detail during port matching can lead to improved performance, better fuel efficiency, and enhanced engine longevity.